How to download Roblox on laptop and PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you easily download and install Roblox on your personal computer or laptop. The initial step involves accessing the official Roblox website roblox.com using a web browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once you're logged in, simply select any Roblox game you would like to play and click on this play button over here. And here it says that Roblox is now loading, get ready. But it will direct you to download and install Roblox because the Roblox game is not installed in my PC right now. So I'll just click on download and install Roblox over here. The file will automatically start downloading. And once it's downloaded, open this file and go ahead and install the Roblox application. Upon completion, the Roblox application will open automatically and you can start playing Roblox on your PC or laptop. This is how you can easily download and install Roblox application on your PC or laptop. If you have any queries, feel free to leave a comment. And if this video has been helpful for you, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.